Hey everyone, welcome to the Savvy Professor. Today, I'll guide you through the process of canceling an order on Flight Club. To start, open your web browser and go to Flight Club's website at flightclub.com. On the homepage, click on the Account button and then go to My Account. Ensure you are logged into your account by entering your email and password. Once you're signed in, navigate back to the Account section. Here, you'll see your order history. Since I don't have any orders to show you, just follow these steps. Select the specific product you wish to cancel from your order list. Once you have selected the product, look for the Cancel button and click on it. It's important to note that you can only cancel your order within 3 hours of placing it. Additionally, if the seller has already confirmed your order, you will not be able to cancel it. If your cancellation is successful, be aware that the refund process can take up to 30 days to reflect in your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.